In this video, I'll show you how to fix a ChatGPT card declined error, the most common reasons it happens, and the fastest ways to get your payment working again. First, check the basics. OpenAI's Help Center says you should verify your card number, expiration date, CVC, and billing address, including your zip or postal code. A small mismatch there can be enough to make the payment fail, even if the card itself is still valid. Next, make sure your bank is not blocking the transaction. OpenAI says some banks automatically block certain online or international charges, and they also recommend confirming that you have enough available funds. So if all your payment details look correct, contact your bank or card provider and ask whether they declined the charge for security reasons. Another big reason is region support. OpenAI says both you and your card issuer must be in a supported country or region. If either your location or the bank that issued the card is outside OpenAI's supported regions, the payment may be declined. OpenAI also warns that using payment methods from unsupported countries can block access to the service. There are also a couple of practical fixes worth trying right away. OpenAI recommends clearing your browser cache and cookies, then retrying the purchase. And if the same card still fails, try a different supported payment method. OpenAI also notes that prepaid cards cannot be used to purchase API credits, so if you're paying for API usage, use a standard credit or debit card instead. If your issue is with a ChatGPT Plus or Pro renewal, OpenAI points to the same core checks. Verify your payment details, make sure your card has funds, and contact your bank if the transaction is being blocked. If none of that works, OpenAI says to reach out to support through the Help Center chat widget. So the best way to fix a ChatGPT card declined error is to recheck your card details, confirm your bank is allowing the charge, make sure your region is supported, clear your browser data, and try another valid payment method if needed. Hope the tutorial was helpful. Subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video.